Before we can start your room design, we need some important measurements. All you'll need is a tape measure, a pen, and paper. Start by measuring the overall length of the room. Make sure you measure from the interior face of the wall. When measuring up for furniture in alcoves, always check the width between the skirting. We'll also need the height of your walls. You can make a note here of any dado or picture rails too. Next, add the room openings like the windows and doors. Make sure you include the frames. For your doors, you'll also need to let us know the width inside the frame so we can check access for large furniture. We'll also need to know the door swing width and direction so it won't bang into your furniture when it's open. For your windows, we'll also need the height between the floor and the sill, and then the height from the sill to the top of the window. When measuring bay windows, note the depth of the bay, the total width, and the individual window lengths. We then need to know the measurements of the usable space either side of your openings so we know where we can place furniture. Make a note of any fixed features in the room like radiators, fireplaces, and built-in cupboards. Also make a note of any sockets in the room or a TV point if you have one.